how to use the NFC tag reader on an iPhone. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to use the NFC tag reader on an iPhone. If you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So if you ever scan an NFC tag, then it actually means that you already used it. So this is actually used frequently on payments and such things that involves high-tech energy. So once you have been familiarized to NFC, what you need to do next is to know if your iPhone supports NFC. So there's actually a table that you can search on your Safari. So you can search from in here if your iPhone actually supports NFC. So let's search for does iPhone, then put in here your model. So for me it's iPhone 7 support NFC, then just search for that, and then this will give you the actual result of your question. So as you can see, iPhone 7s and the more recent release can read NFC tags and make NFC payments. However, no NFC support was added to iPhone 6 and 6s. So that means that if you're iPhone 7 and up, then you can use this NFC tag reader. Once you have been in there, then you can actually been notified that your iPhone supports NFC. So the next thing that you can do is to actually create shortcut automation. You can do so if you have iPhone XR and up. So if you have iPhone XR, you can head over to your shortcuts, head over to your automations, click on the plus icon right here, click on the personal automation right there, and then from in there you can just choose NFC if you have that. Since I have an iPhone 7, I don't have that specific function, but you have that. Just click on that NFC, then input the name of your NFC that you want to add, then you can scan the NFC, and then after that you can add an automation from that on the suggested rings on those NFC tag reader. So after you have done that, you can just put your NFC closer iPhone, and that should be able to make it useful. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to use the NFC tag reader on an iPhone. If you have questions or comments, put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.